welcome back to the channel. I did promise some more videos of me using this fantastic uConsole device, so I thought we'd start with something simple, which is going to be decoding APRS. It's got a built-in, or well, it has now a built-in SDR, RTL-SDR, the thing is called, which is on the AIO board, AIO version 2 board from Hacker Gadgets. So it should be fairly simple. I don't really have all that high hopes for the camera showing the screen. Ideally, we'd have some sort of screen decoding, but yeah, I don't think that's going to happen. So basically, I've done some research and figured out that the only thing we need to decode APRS on this thing is the RTL-SDR tools, and specifically the RTL_FM binary or program. And that can just receive the data, and you can stream it directly into Direwolf. So Direwolf is the other piece of software you need to do this. So I'll leave all the required commands and in the video description, and also all the required commands to execute to have them installed. But for now, let's see. I'm going to try and move the on-screen camera a little bit closer in as well, but let's paste this command and see if that works. And yeah, at least we are now. I'll see if let's see if this can catch this a little bit better. There's an awful lot of glare. I wanted to do this outside because I think this is it's not a computer for sitting in your basement. That's not the point at all of this sweet little computer. So we're hoping now that and there we go. We're seeing some decoded APRS messages. And another one. Let's see, what is it we see here? I need to just have a closer look at this. There is there's some telemetry at least, and another one. I'm hoping this is going to be a very boring video if you can't read what's on screen here, but yeah, I'm hoping this works. I'm also a little bit concerned whether or not I actually get this into focus. Morten seemed to say that the focus on very short distances wasn't really good with this camera, so I fear that might be the case. But anyway, as you can see, we are decoding a very, very simple command. All the hardware is already present. You need to install 2 software packages, which is part of the apt repository for this distribution. And you're off to the races. You can decode APRS messages. Not a particularly impressive feat, I think, but one very nice bonus you get from having a cyber deck with a built-in SDR receiver. I think this, as I said, is going to be a very, very short video. That's really all I wanted to show today. So I'm for sure going to do more complex and more interesting things with this going forward. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or any suggestions what I can do with this cyber deck, leave a comment below. Other than that, I'll just say until next time, thank you so much for watching.